Remove the Alde load monitor from the packaging and locate the 2-pin plug. Disconnect 230 volt power from the vehicle, and then remove the black panel by pulling up and then out. Remove the mounting screws. Carefully lift out the consumer unit. Remove the 4 screws securing the front panel. Carefully lift out the front plate. This is the main RCD. Locate the main brown live wire from the caravan exterior. Loosen main wire screw. Place the load monitor over the brown wire. You can now reconnect the brown wire to the RCD. Feed the 2-pin plug through. Make sure the load monitor is away from the screws and the wire is run neatly down. Rebuild the consumer unit. Replace all 4 screws on the front cover. Mount and reattach the consumer unit. Next, plug in the load monitor 2-pin plug to the boiler. This is indicated by the port labelled load monitor. Face the bracket downwards when plugging in. On your control panel, open the settings window, scroll down and select Installed Accessories. The green check mark has now appeared next to Load Monitor, showing that it has been correctly installed. Press the back arrow and scroll up to select the plug icon. Press the plus icon until you reach the amps available on your site. Press the back arrow twice and then Menu to finish.